Kandy. Okay, now we're going to Kandy. It's another bus. It's 212 per person. Yeah. We just got to Kandy and now we got onion dosa. Spicy?
God damn, that's good.
Yeah?
No, it's a bit spicy, but this is very spicy.
This is masala dosa. So the sauces are the same, but this one is with masala. Enjoy. We are going to the train station now to see if there are any trains to Ella. The train should start from today. So let's see if it's true or they postpone it again. Okay, so we have some information. The train goes only at 5 AM. But we also check the buses. So buses we have every half an hour. We're gonna go for the train and see how busy it is. If we will get any seats. If they will be alright, we're gonna take the train. If not, we'll go to the bus station and take a bus.
I want to say something.
Baby! So this is the lake. We're going to walk around it. Wow, look at this lizard. Gonna get some ice cream. Happy?
I'll take my mask off now.
Now it's raining a bit, but we have our umbrella and it's actually very refreshing. I don't mind. So those flowers for the temple. For lunch we came to the same place like yesterday, but today we are having, Julian's having plain dosa and I have idli. So this sauce is coconut chutney. This is dal with the lentils and this is chickpea.
This is Kandy Central Market. Nice.
You can find any spice and tea. You can go in there.
Julian has a new friend every 10 minutes. Everyone, hello my friend. Nice tattoo, that's how it starts. They starting walking in front of us, then they slowing down, coming to us. Usually they want to tell us how expensive some place is and he can take us to the cheaper one. Or if we're going to Nuwara area, which we go, very cheap tuk-tuk. There are not many tourists, so they try with us several times the same person. Okay, we go to the meat section of the market. Oh wow. Okay. Hello, thank Hello. So we're going to check out the Buddha statue. Ticket is 250 per person. I think it's only for foreigners. The stairs are terrible. I feel a bit disgusted to walk on it. We are now in the shopping center and they have the food court. So we got, Julian got hamburger with fries And I have dal makhani with naan.
We got the mango, pineapple, and a little baby melon.
Baby melon.
Probably green.
And some mosquito repellents and soap. This is cucumber. Check this out. So first day in Sri Lanka, we went to the market to buy backpack because Julian's backpack zipper was already falling apart. So we went to this market and we found nice backpack. So I bargained and we paid 2,500, which is around 10 pounds, 9-10 pounds. We had it for 1 week, this backpack. When we were about to leave Negombo, Julian picked it up and guess what? It's all ripped. The handle from the top. It was wet and then drying on the sun and then again wet, you know, just as a display. See how pale it is. Oh, you see? So now we are in Kandy, we had to find a new backpack. We've been walking like half day. We found the backpack. Check this out.
Exactly the same model.
Oh, the same. But fucking brand new. Look at this. Nothing. You can't do anything with it.
Don't force it.
Guess how much I paid for this one? 2,000. And I paid for the chip 2,500. Fucking hell. Hello again. So now we are in the University of Peradeniya, the biggest university in Sri Lanka. They have many faculties, a lot of students here, and area is nice. We like it here. It's very peaceful, very quiet. Oh, check out this house. And also I read about this university and it's infamous or criticized because of the very sadistic ragging. So basically sometimes you have some task to do, they kind of bullying you for being on first year, like senior students bullying you for being on first year. Here it was like quite sadistic, and for example in 1997 one first year student died from the kidney failure after this initiation ritual. The autopsy showed that there is a huge amount of toothpaste in his rectum, and one girl, I think it was 1975, also first year student, she jumped from the hostel after being ragging by some senior students, and in the end in 2002 she committed suicide. Here I seen something. I saw something brown jumping from the bush into the bush. But I don't know what was it. Looked a bit like a deer, but it could be baby bear or baby jaguar. Don't feel sorry about this, about us. We had amazing life, and I don't think there would be ever... Kurwa, baby! Every time I'm stressed, there is always Polish person coming out of me. We found some wild animals, but the gentleman helping us to pass. Thank you, bye! But if he's here on foot with his animals, I think we are safe. Plus we are almost next to the temple. Now we're going to Hindagala Rajamaha Buddhist Temple, and there is a guy behind us following us. So what did you get?
Nice to me like a bun with some omelette inside.
Ah, you ate it already?
Yeah.
And we bought one bun for this gentleman who was following us. So now he's not anymore. You're not gonna believe who I found now in Sri Lanka. Check this out. It's Shah Rukh Khan. This hurts. Oh, but it's beautiful. Ow, ow, ow. And now we're waiting for our tuk-tuk. We ordered from this app. It's called Pick Me. So we always trying to go and pay directly to the driver. Last few days we didn't order from the app at all because they was always giving reasonable price. Today they was asking for 700 rupees to go to this university area, and on the app was 350, so like that was too much. The third time we are in the same place. Today we're trying paper dosa, and check this out. That's Julia's paper dosa. Look how big it is. That's mine. Amazing, so big.